Welcome to Learn by Design.
My name is Jill and my specialism is renewable energy. Did a degree in environmental sciences and really the whole science spectrum really, but the speciality in renewable energy. I've been at Learn for just over 5 years now in a variety of different roles. I think one of the best things that we do is that we help young people to realise what their learning means in the real world. So we help connect the stuff in the classroom to real life applications. So they don't really understand how learning a particular topic in science or maths or engineering or whatever subject they're doing, they don't really understand how that links to the outside world and the jobs that they can possibly do. But actually we come in as that middle step, so we can show those young people this is how your learning actually fits into your future.
I am getting dizzy. Catch me. Book a workshop with me.